friends! Today we are drawing a Christmas stocking! So, let's get started. First, we will draw a very big stocking, big enough to hold lots of gifts. Now let's draw the fluffy top. This part keeps the stocking warm. This is where Santa will peek before putting gifts inside. Make the stocking thick and soft like Santa's hat. Make the toe nice and round so it looks soft and comfy. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. First, we will color the heel and the toes green. Friends, did you know stockings are hung to catch Santa's gifts? Now, we will color the rest of the stocking red. Oh, with red-green colors, it is already looking amazing! This is where Santa will peek before putting gifts inside. It's time to decorate our beautiful stocking. We will start by zigzag pattern. Last, we will draw some snowflakes and dots. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.